Hi, I'm Tammy with the Masters Lawn Care. We are in a backyard project that we just completed for a homeowner. This homeowner was looking for low maintenance, something that she can see from her living room window, and lots of color, lots of green. Before we started this project, the backyard had mainly weeds, a little bit of grass, a few plants near the window over there, but other than that, it was pretty much a blank slate. The homeowner was looking for a backyard that was low maintenance, wanted a beautiful view from their living room window. They also wanted to showcase their new fence. We took out a large viburnum hedge along the fence line, and we added artificial turf. The great benefit to artificial turf is no mowing. Very low maintenance, low and easy care. The homeowner wanted low growing plants so that they could see the view from their window without the plants blocking the view. They wanted evergreen plants, so it would be green in the wintertime as well. The homeowner had irrigation throughout the entire backyard. You obviously don't need that for artificial turf, so we capped the majority of the system. We did leave a little bit of irrigation for the new plants. Overall, this is a low maintenance yard that will be green year round. If you're looking for something like this in your yard, please give us a call.